So in the third play of the sword in one hand, we have a situation that is very similar to the first, in which as Jessica's come to strike and I parry, we have gotten sort of stuck in the middle and I enter in. And perhaps I don't get underneath, I get to the inside. Okay? Now, he says from here, I can give you a good dose of cuts and thrusts, but I can also step my front foot forward and enter into this lock. And this is the lock that's illustrated in the fourth play. Now, when beginners are practicing this, we tend to go for the pommel because it's easier to control, but what's actually shown is the point coming in. Let's have a look at that again. So, third play, I'm here, and I can do things, and if I want to, I can come in and make the lock and smack, smack, or smack, smack. So, third play, I'm here, and can do things, and if I step forwards, I can do things. Okay. So in the third play, Fiore refers to this lock, if you just give me the strike, he refers to the third play of the first master of the dagger, which is the Ligadura Mezzana. It's nice, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, good?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I have you imprisoned, I can do what I want. And also in the plays of the sword against the dagger on 19 recto, he refers us forward to this play, the fourth play of the sword in one hand, which is incidentally how we know that this is the numbering of the plays, because it's a little odd that there are 11, there kind of should be 12. So some people count the master as the first play, but he's not actually in contact with the players. They're separate, so he is not, I don't count him as the remedy master because he's not in contact. And from this internal reference to folio 19 recto, you can see that Fiore is thinking of this as the fourth play. So technically then, there isn't a remedy master of the sword in one hand because we don't see one illustrated.